Greetings from Bangalore Jacobite youth. Arunachalam Muruganathan, a renowned social entrepreneur from Coimbatore, popularly known as Padman, grew up in poverty. After his father's death, his mother worked as a farm laborer to help in his studies. However, at the age of 14, he dropped out of school and took up various jobs to support his family. Today, he is the inventor of a low-cost sanitary pad making machine and is credited for innovating grassroots mechanisms for generating awareness about traditional unhygienic practices around menstruation in rural India. It was after his marriage that he discovered the harmful traditional practices and problems faced by women during menstrual cycle. Troubled by this, he started designing experimental pads, realizing that the end product sold 40 times the price of the raw materials. He went to an extent of testing them himself, but became the subject of ridicule. Nevertheless, nothing stopped him. His invention is widely praised as a key step in changing women's lives in India and creates job opportunity, enabling more women to earn their livelihood. He won the National Innovation Award. Today, his machines have been installed in most of the states in India and is planning to expand the production of these machines to 106 nations. His story was the subject of prize-winning documentary and films. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because its trust is not on the branch but on its own wings. Don't ever doubt yourself. You can do anything you put your mind to. All you have to do is believe in you. Similarly, don't doubt the Creator because it is inconceivable that the accidents alone would be the controller of the universe. Faith is unseen but felt. Faith is strength when we feel we have none. Faith is hope when all seems a lot. Genesis chapter 6. Noah found favor in the eyes of Lord and was chosen by God to perpetuate the human race after his wicked contemporaries had perished in flood. God warned Noah of the impending disaster and made a covenant with him, promising to save him and his family. He was instructed to build an ark with male and female specimens of all the world's species of animals, and the entire surviving human race descended from Noah's sons. During uncertain times, Noah had full faith in God and his plans. He was hopeful that everything will be soon normal. Behind every dark cloud, there's a silver lining. After the flood, God bound himself to a pact never again to curse the earth and set a rainbow in the sky as a visible guarantee. In Christian culture, a rainbow promises better times to come. It is a symbol of hope in many cultures. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. End is not the end. In fact, it means effort never dies. And if you get no as an answer, remember it means next opportunity, as said by Abdul Kalam. Always keep in mind, faith makes all things possible, hope makes all things work, and love makes all things beautiful. God bless you all. Amen.